It's time!
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we all doing today? Beautiful Thursday. What's up, Anas? What's up, One Trader? What's up, Bushido Trades? Yeah, I looked in the settings again. I put it on lower latency, so hopefully that will fix the delay. Yep. What up, Damien? What's up, Ani? It's time. Hey, we got big UFC fights this Saturday. Hey, we got Justin Gaethje versus Pimlet. Who you guys got? You guys watch the UFC? Yeah, we're locking in. Hey, how's the delay? Is the delay good? Yup. I love the UFC. Oh shit! Hey, we got this. Hey, we fixed the lag then. That's good. Yeah, everyone's been saying it's like 20 seconds, which is pretty long. So we fixed it in the settings. Nice. All right, yesterday we had a pretty banger day. Not gonna lie. So we had a nice day on these accounts. We made 400. And then our alphas, we caught a nice 50-point play. We were going crazy. We made like 870. And then I lost on that Tradeify top step group. But then after, guys, there's like a freaking... Let me see. Where are you? Guys, look at this candle. This is 200 points. A 200-point 5-minute candle. That was crazy. And I caught a nice rip up to the upside and I made back the losses and some on those... Tradeify accounts. What's up, Javier? Yeah, going good. Ani, we're doing good. We're doing all right. We went on a 3-day losing streak with these accounts, but yesterday we made 400, so we switched down to 5 micros. So now we're trading 5 micros. And yeah, I'm trying to keep these accounts alive. I do not want to go through the challenges again and all that. Yeah, Grizz Shades, we're kind of slowly chopping around, but these candles are kind of decent. Like, I mean, there's like 20 points right here, and it doesn't look that big. But right now, we had a sell-off right here this morning, but then it's starting to recover. It looks like, so the trend right now is bullish. Yes, sir, Ani, that's it. That's literally what we're doing. We're keeping our losers small, trying to keep our winners big. Lower the risk, everything. John King, I just like this time and it works for me. And yeah, I started the streams at this time and it's been going well, so I'm just going to keep it that way for now. Maybe in the future we can maybe do like an extra hour once I get used to it. But for now we're just streaming for 2 hours. And yeah. Oh, your internet, Bushido? No way. That's a sick name, Bushido Trades. Oh, man, that's funny. Radio, it's not bad. That's also the same thing, like market open. Like, I'm literally just waking up. And I'm like foggy eyes, literally just waking up. Where here at 9 o'clock, my time, I'm already up for 2 hours. I got coffee, I got water. I might eat like a little breakfast beforehand. Like I just had some chicken and vegetables. It's pretty good. Sometimes I'll just have eggs and fruit. Yeah, Ani, we got a payout video tonight for the TakeProfitTrader. We got a nice $3,600 payout. We got a payout video tonight. What's up, Beyond Limits? Yeah, that is true. Hey, I'm gonna keep calling you Internet. Hey, Internet. Yeah, we have yeah, you can see it clearer. I wake up, I get water, coffee. You know, I'm not waking up at like 6:30, like no caffeine, no nothing. Yeah. Yeah, because I usually wake up around like, when I used to trade market open, I would wake up at 6 o'clock, So give me like 30 minutes, but still. But lately I've been waking up at like 6:30, 6:45. Then I get my coffee at like 7. Yeah, we're chilling right now. Guys, on our losing days, what were we doing wrong? We were forcing trades on a chop and doing bad setups and stuff. So we're going to be calm. We're going to be disciplined. Right now, it's kind of just a slow, choppy grind up at the moment. We can maybe look for like a bounce play. It did bounce right here off this bottom area. So now the trend at the moment is bullish. Hey, when you moving to Hawaii? 3:30 is actually, yeah, that's really early. That's really early. 5 o'clock is early for me. Because I like getting like some sleep. Guys, it's important to get sleep, especially when you're trading, because you want to be like refreshed and focused. Nice. Hey, but it's gonna be tropical over there. Be nice. Sup, Jack? Ani, we're gonna get a new and improved and better version of 2024 Casinator. We're gonna have a better one. Oh yeah, yep. I haven't been in Hawaii in years. It was so nice. Yes, sir. Painter dry. Doing well, man. How are you? What's up, Alex? Yeah, Ani, that's the plan. Road to 1 million in payouts. We gotta get our lick back from last year. We gotta get our lick back. What's up, Sir? Oh, I will, Internet. I will. I wanted to go there, but yeah, I haven't been there in a few years. Like, actually, like, probably like over 5 years. Maybe even 6 years. But we went on a nice, the big island. And the place we stayed at had like these freaking nice ass koi fish pond. And it was like a tropical jungle, and there was like a beach right in front. And the beach had like hermit crabs. So we were like catching the crabs. What's up, Lefty? What's up, brother? Yeah, they say the first 100K is like super hard, but yeah, it gets momentum rolling. No, I'm not from Vegas, Ani. I went there last year. Wahoo, yep. What's up, Char? Trunks, what's up, brother? Alright, I want to see maybe price come down to here, and maybe we could take like a small bounce play or something. See how it reacts. David, yeah, maybe. Yeah. There's a lot of fishing in Hawaii. Yeah, it's pretty nice there. Nice and warm. Nice, painter die. Yeah, that's a good practice. Starting like a small live account. Practice your discipline, patience, everything. Real money on the line. Yeah, that's good. 100% your money. You can do whatever you want. What's up, Discipline Futures Trader? What's up, brother? Take the green leg to the formula. Yeah, we'll see. It's bouncing right here off this 25,655 area. Kind of bouncing right here. Then it bounced off this bottom area. Alright, I want to see if it rejects off here or if it wants to keep breaking up and continue up higher. But right now we're kind of consolidating, so we're just going to be patient. We're not going to force anything. Bro, that champions trade yesterday. Let's go champions. Dude, I was going hard on that. And that's a nice. This is. I mean, if we take a bounce play, that's a nice 30-point move. Yeah, yeah. I gotta clip it. That'd be a good one. Yeah, pay or die. Like one micro is like, yeah. I mean, $20 for 10 points. That's still good. Like, it's a good hourly wage. Churrongs, just where price is like bouncing or like consistently tapping off of. Also like the top and bottom of wicks sometimes. Yeah, Ani, yep. Especially on a 50k or some account. Yeah, 5 macros is solid. That's why I switched down to 5 micros on these. What's up, Seb? Thanks for tuning in, man. True trades, yeah. The nice thing about TakeProfitTrader is you don't have to worry about them not paying you out, and you can request anything daily above the buffer. Where Apex, you kind of have to worry, like, oh, are they gonna deny my payout, or this, or are they gonna ask me for a video, or are they gonna deny my payout, are they gonna accept it? You have to trade 8 days. It's like a lot of headache, honestly. Charonks, not at the moment. I'm not looking for a break and retest at the moment, no. More or less looking for like a bounce. I'm not looking for a short here, no. Probably look for a long entry. But I don't want a long right here. Yeah, that's good, Ani. Yeah, that's good risk management. Ollie, yeah, I fixed in the settings. So I fixed it because everyone's saying the stream was 20 seconds, which is really high. And I looked it up and I fixed it. And then I looked now because I fixed the settings yesterday. But then I looked today, I had to switch it to a low latency, not a normal latency. And I think that's what's fixing the delay. So hopefully it's fixed for y'all. Everyone says it's pretty good today, which is great. But guys, remember, don't copy my trades. This is not a signal service channel. We are just documenting the journey. This is for entertainment purposes only. Hopefully you can learn something at the same time. But yeah, this is not a signal service. Don't copy my trades. Yeah, internet. That's what I like about the Lucid accounts is they're not a monthly subscription, so you could buy them and work for them as long as you want. So, like, I don't have to get worried about being rebuild, which is actually really nice. Because my 550k accounts, if I got rebuild, I would have to freaking full port it right now. I'm about to get rebuild. But luckily they don't do that. It's just a one-time purchase. No, honey. Less is more. I've seen those where the monitors, they have like this, that, one right here, another one right here. And they're just like, it looks kind of cool. But then I feel like it's just like so much. Like I only have 2 monitors. I just have this. This is my main trading screen, and here's like a vertical screen where I look at like other stuff, the chat, everything. So I think 2 is perfect, honestly. Works for me, but it depends on what works for you. But I know the other traders, they have like their trading screen, maybe like trading view or something. They have like a order flow. If they live stream, they have like the live stream chat up here or something. It does look kind of cool, but sometimes less is more. Yeah, it makes you look like professional and shit. But I feel like there's just like so much going on where it's like, it's kind of like overwhelming. Alright guys, we are chopping around right here, so Overall trend is still up, but we're being patient. What's up, Just Ain't Right? What's up, brother? Yeah. Ani, they have the giant curved monitor. Internet, I think you have the curved monitor, right? Yeah. Guys, if you're not trading with 6 monitors minimum, you're not trading, man. You're just gambling. You need like at least 6 minimum, maybe even 10. All right, price is coming down here. See how it wants to react to this area. $13 day. Yeah, guys, if you have the more monitors, the more chances of money you'll make. Dude, I saw one trader, he had like literally like, I'm not even kidding, like 20 freaking monitors, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like how do you even like focus? It was like, it's just like a wall, and he was just like, I'm like, yeah, it's so overwhelming for me. Yeah. What's up, FL? Yeah, bro's got like 20 monitors. He's like, I'm like, whoa. It's like, whoa. Oh yeah, you gotta be ultra high D definition, 1080p. I'm not hating it. If it works for you, it works for you. But like, I feel like two is solid. Works well. Some traders I know like make bank just off a freaking Apple laptop, the Mac. They literally just use that and they make bank. And they're good traders too. Dude, the Mac is nice because you could take it to like a coffee shop, or if you're out traveling, vacation, you could still trade. You could have Tradovate on there. That's what I was doing. It's kind of nice. Jeez. Room full of auditors. Yeah, because you could have your main monitor for trading, maybe like this, looking at like other charts or something, and then here you could have like, I don't know, like order flow or whatever you use, trading view. Yeah, banner die. Yeah, the Mac is actually not bad. I trade Tradovate on there sometimes. Yeah. So Twain, yeah. Yeah, we're live this year. We're being consistent Monday through Friday. Appreciate you watching my videos, man. Monday through Friday, we're live. My lines right here, see, like, price was, like, bouncing a lot right here. I can't say your username, but I can't, see, it was just bouncing off here and then rejected off here. So I would mark this out as a level, this one right here, this 25,660. Close below it, and then also now look bouncing right above it. And then also, like, the top of wicks, sometimes bottom of wicks. See, right here, we bounced off here a few times, so mark out, like, a little bottom area right here. Kind of just stuff like that. This is just what I do and what works for me. People get confused by it, but I don't know. It works for me, and I like it. Alright, I want to see maybe a bounce right here.
Order filled.
Alright, we're going to take a bounce play. Overall trend is still up. We're gonna risk like 13, 14 points. We're going to have a stop right here. We're just trading 5 micros. Now just looking for a bounce. It bounced here numerous times, and it just comes right back up to here. 94. So that's a nice 30-point trade. Yeah, that's a nice 30-point trade. Nice 1 to 2 RR right here. Yeah, no problem. What's up, Tommy? I haven't been trading market open recently. No, I've been usually just trading like after 7. I'll look for a setup, but most of the time I'm trading like in the later afternoon, like now, just because the market kind of moves slower and kind of see our direction of where it's going. It is sometimes just choppier a bit, but sometimes you can catch pretty good clean moves. Yeah, Meeks, today was kind of choppy. Not gonna lie, we're kind of chopping around, like just like right here. So we're not gonna go crazy unless we see like a good setup, you know. Nice shot, Tommy. Yeah, take your base hits and go. That, especially on a day like today. Yeah, lock it in. But yeah, just looking for a bounce right here, back up to here, and then yeah, that'd be a nice trade. Yeah. Yeah, guys, yesterday was freaking crazy. Like literally yesterday. We're gonna trade. I'll show you guys later. But we had a huge rip up, like 400 points, then a huge rip down, right back down, like 400 points, then a huge rip up again, and there was like a 200.5-minute candle after the stream ended. Like, I don't know if it was like 11:30 or what. Yesterday was crazy. Look, we had a massive rip up, massive rip down. We caught some nice plays to the downside. We caught a nice red to green flip right here. And then after stream, yeah, 11:25. Look at this. Just a 200.5-minute candle right here. Just like, boom. I literally was like, what the fuck? But yeah. We're up 7 points. Yeah, just looking for a nice bounce up to here. Yeah, Ani, the daily payouts are nice with Tradeify because it's an end-of-day account. But the only thing is they have their capped payouts. That's the only problem. But daily payouts are still nice. I mean, the 50K's cap is $1,000 per payout. I mean, 5 accounts after the fees, that's $4,500 in a day. I mean, are we really complaining over $4,500 in a day? That's an amazing job right there. Yeah, I think probably Trump tweeted, yeah. Because I know there was no news, but yeah, it was most likely Trump. Hey, nice internet. Yeah, the daily lockout would be nice. Dude, Tradovate really needs to add the bracket orders with copy trading, honestly. I really have no idea why they haven't added that. It's been a long time coming. Too long. Way too long. Like Quantower, or our new 5-minute right here. Quantower is nice. Like if I enter a trade, it automatically sets my stop loss, automatically sets my take profit. It's already set. Don't gotta worry about it. And it's already done. Alright, at our peak we're up around 10 points. Just want to see a nice push up to here. What I don't want to see is it come back to our entry, which is kind of doing right now. Oh, Tommy, yeah. Yeah, a lot of tariff crap. Meeks, if I want to trim, I just put it to how many accounts I have. So like right now I have 5 micros each. So if I want to trim with the copy trader, I just hit 5 and then I can hit like sell and it'll trim one. Just like that. Yeah, I have no idea why they haven't added it. It shouldn't be that hard to add, honestly. Trader J, they're both good. They're both good. The MyFundedFutures core accounts are a little cheaper, I think. But they're both good. Yeah, I think Ninja Trader has it. I don't trade on there, unfortunately. I just like Tradovate. I don't know. I just like it. It works. We're just chilling at 10 points here. There's a lot of hesitation right here. Too much hesitation. Trailing drawdown. I think you can add into settings, but you can check your trailing drawdown right here. You just go to your P&L, and then you can see how much you have left to work with. Like, these stop trailing, but the trailing, you can see, like, live, like, how much you have left to work with, pretty much. Yeah, I like Tradovate too. It's super easy, chill, simple, works fine. Faye, I think you can only do that for Tradovate if you're just trading one account. But if you're copy trading, you can't do it. Which is so weird. I don't know why. Alright, coming right back to our entry. At our peak, we're only up 10 points. There's a lot of hesitation right here. But I'm looking for a bounce up to here, and then that's a nice almost 25, 30 points. Nice 1 to 2. Yeah, they have a discount with MyFundedFutures on the Rapid, and I also think the Pro plan. The Pro plan also has a discount. The Core is not. I mean, the Core is already really cheap, honestly. $77. No activation fee. 5 accounts. People are sleeping on that plan, honestly. I didn't realize how good it was until I looked into it. Yeah, Nate. Yeah, I agree. I don't know. I just like it. It's just nice. Yeah, Ani. 25 points a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Alright, coming back up here, it's just really slow and choppy, and right now it's doing a lot of hesitation right in the middle here, which I do not like. I'd rather just see it bounce and then hit the target and then maybe come back down. But right now, we're just been in a range for the last hour in this 30-point range right here. Alright, getting a little more momentum. But low-key might get out soon because there's a lot of hesitation right here, and we're just right in the middle of a chop. Okay, new 5-minute. Okay, 9:30 candle. Maybe we could catch that momentum to hit the TP. That would be nice. We're going to move our stop loss to break even now, because the low-key just going to probably get out. If it hits, come on, smack it. Smack that. Smack it. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, NQ.
Order filled.
Hey, we got it. We got it. Nice. Yeah, there's a lot of hesitation right here. And we're just kind of bouncing off this little range. The overall trend is still up. That's why I took a nice little bounce play. That was a nice 1 to 2 right there. I mean, we're up. 26 points. I'll take it in this super slow, choppy range. I was about to get out at that, like, middle right here. But if we really want to see, like, a cleaner move, we kind of need to see, like, a break out of this range. It just, like, I could short right here, but I think it's just too risky because I know eventually it's going to break out the range. And, yeah, so we can play, like, ping pong here, but it's, like, eventually it's going to break out the range, and we can get clapped, and we don't want to do that. So, we're going to... Guys, when you're playing ranges, the best way to have a higher win rate is to go with the overall trend if you're going to play like a range. Like right now, the trend is upward. Like, yeah, we had a sell-off this morning, but right now, we'd bounced right here, formed a new level right here, bounced up right here, and now we're bouncing up right here, and the trend is still upward. So, to have a higher win rate, we would want to go with the trend when you're trading a range. So, that's why I took a bounce play right here, back up to here. So, that's just my thought analysis, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, internet. Code casinator always works. Yep. It'll give you the best discount. Perp, I'm not... on the live account, if you there's a setting for Tradovate that if you hit a daily loss limit or something, you cannot trade for the rest of the day, which is nice. They added that for a live account, but I mean, like, why don't they add that for prop firms? Should be the same thing. Paint or die, yeah. I mean, like, we were risking what, like 14 points, so, and the overall trend is still up. We can see another bounce, and yeah, that was a nice 1-2 right there. Just go quick play. What I didn't like is we're kind of breaking out the range. See, that's why we don't want to short on a range going against the trend, because we could get stopped out, like right there. See, that's like literally what I was just talking about. Like, yeah, we could play ping pong here, but eventually it's gonna break out the range, and to have a higher win rate, we generally would want to go with the trend at the moment. That's why we took a long bounce and not a short right here. Boo! Hey, nice job, Eric. Thank you, True Trades. Yeah. I mean, around this time, sometimes there will be chop, yeah. But, like, you can catch some decent plays. Shia LaBouffe or whatever. It's too loud. Hey, let me try and fix it. Hopefully that works. I don't wanna burn your guys' ear. Discipline. Okay. Alright, I'll try to lower down the Tradovate sound. My bad, guys. My bad. Discipline Futures Trader. I went on a 3-day losing streak. And yesterday I switched to 5 micros. And yesterday we made like 400. And we're up 265 today. So, not bad. Not bad. I realized with one mini, you can lose 2K pretty quick. Like, you can go on like a 3-4 day losing streak. And it'll be gone. Now I'm like, I already lost like half my account balance. And I'm like, I really do not want to go through the challenges again. I'm like, I want to keep these accounts alive. So this is actually good survival instincts right here, right? We're on a little losing streak, 3-day losing streak. What did we do? We sized down. You know, we sized down to micros yesterday. And we caught 2 nice plays, and we caught a nice play today. So, survival, name of the game. Yeah, hey, internet, that is a sick profile picture. I was like, Bushido Trades. I was like, I never heard of this guy. Turns out it's the internet. Trader J. Damn. Probably because they want us to freaking go on tilt and blow it. That's probably why. Twain, no, you're not allowed to trade news on TakeProfitTrader. The big news. I know you're not allowed to trade big news unfunded. Yeah, we broke out this little range right here. That's good. We want to see a clear direction. We were just playing ping pong here for the past hour. Yeah, they're getting freaking greedy. No algo. Meeks, 5 to 10 micros. If I'm sizing down to micros, I think 5 micros is pretty good for a 50K account. Well, the thing is nice because, like, if you're in a banger winning trade and you're entering with 5 micros, you could also scale in until, like, if you're like in a big trade. The only time I scale in is if I'm predicting like a large move is happening. Like, most of my plays are like generally like 20 to 50 points. But there's a few times where I'm in like a banger trade and it's just like keeps on going, right? And then I'm like, hey, I want to kind of capitalize on this. All right, retesting this top area. I want to see how it reacts. I want to see if it bounces right here or just comes back down into this little range. All right, so yeah, retesting this little top area. That is true trades. That is true. That is true trades. Yeah, that is true. That is true. I mean, yesterday we did that good. We were rotating them a lot, and that worked pretty well. Like, we made 2 winning plays on these take profit trader groups, up $400. What did we do, guys? We walked away and locked it in. We went on to Alpha Futures. We caught a nice 50-point play. We were getting hyped. And then we switched to challenges. Guys, should I just lock it one and done on these and go to like the alphas? Because I mean, 265 bucks, 26 points on a choppy day like this is not bad. I'm not gonna lie. One and done on these. We could. Yeah, disciplined future trader. I'm practicing that. I'm trying to keep my accounts alive. I realize I've been blowing them way too quick because of over trading, over leveraging. So yeah, I went on a 3-day losing streak. What did we do, guys? We sized down. We sized down and trying to keep it alive. Because I mean, yeah, we were down like what 1,200. So we only had $800 left in these accounts. So it's like you could still work with that with 5 micros. Yeah, it could be bad, but I mean, we could try and say them like with one mini. That's only 40 points. That's like 3 bad plays. Yeah, guys, low key, I think we might have to cut it here on these TakeProfitTrader, and then we can work on we can work on something else. You know what, guys? See, I am very glad we are doing these live streams. You know why? It puts me in check, and it puts you guys in check, so you guys can learn. Hey, maybe on a slow, choppy day, my last 3 losing days on these accounts were, guess what? Well, actually, last week, Thursday and Friday, they were slow, choppy days. Tuesday, there was some movement, but it just didn't work out. But Thursday and Friday last week, it was slow, choppy days, and I was kind of trying to force a trade and ended up getting wrecked, right? So, I mean, one and done on a choppy day. I think you guys are right. Yeah, I think you know what? You guys are very smart. I'm a lock it in right here. Yeah, that's a great idea. Yeah, see, look, we can lock this in. 26 points, 265 bucks. That's pretty good. So, guys, so we can request anything over $2,000 balance on this. And I'm not trying to rush to get a payout again. My main goal was to keep these accounts alive. So yesterday and today, we won. So that's great for keeping them alive. And yeah, we gotta be disciplined about it. We can't just be like, oh, let me get a payout today. Let me size up to 10 micros. No, we're not gonna force it. You guys are smart. We're gonna switch to another firm. Yeah, we're gonna practice discipline and self-control. Very smart. Okay, yeah, we can work on the alphas. Yeah, because we can get some momentum going on those. And then I got my Tradeify and Top Step accounts. We got 5 50K challenges. Don't want to show my highly secret, super top secret login information here. Alright. We're live. Alright, guys, we got 3 alpha funded 100Ks, 0 to 0. Hey, yeah, Trader Bob, we fixed it. I checked into settings. I fixed the delay to 0 yesterday, but then I didn't put it to low latency. And that's what they said you have to do. You have to put it to low latency. So yeah, we switched it to low latency. Yeah, I like this, Tommy. Instead of gambling and going crazy, we're treating it like a business. What's up, Garv? What's up, brother? Yeah, prop trader, it's just like getting momentum back, getting your confidence back. You went on a losing streak. All right, we got to regroup, refocus. What can we learn from it and get better from it? Yeah, guys, let's just let's go back to the TakeProfitTrader group and just rip 5 minis. We're just gonna go all in, no stop loss, no nothing, and hope for the best. Like, we're either getting a massive payout or nothing. We gotta go with that mindset. Yeah, guys, see, yeah, Ricardo, this is right. We were losing on choppy days, so the fact that we made it a good play on a choppy day, we gotta walk away. We just gotta walk away. Yeah, we're on the alphas now. Yeah, discipline. Yeah, hard work, consistency. Hey, we got 130 people watching now. We're getting consistently like 100 live viewers at a time now, 110, which is pretty good. If you guys like the live streams, make sure to like and subscribe. We keep them for free Monday through Friday. Just like, subscribe, And if you're gonna use a prop firm, all I ask is use my code if you want. Support the channel. Keep the live streams free. And we keep this going daily. Right now it's retesting this top area. Overall trend is still up, but the fact that it's just hesitating and only moving up like what 10 points, I'm gonna pass. We need like a bigger move, because my stop loss would be like 10-15 points. So it's not a good RR right here. It's not worth it, even though the trend is still up. We want to catch the momentum. We don't want to be stuck in this chop right here. Garv. Hey, Poncho says meow, and thank you, Garv. Thank you. Through charge, these are our first accounts with them. We haven't got a payout with this firm yet, but we're working on them. These are funded. So, guys, with these accounts, we just need 3 more winning days, and we request 50% of our balance. So that's the plan. We need 3 more winning days. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we're just going to straight diamond hand that shit. All in. No stop loss. Hoping for the best. We're getting a 10 grand payout or nothing. No stop loss. Faye, yeah, I use my stop loss like buy and sell orders. Like, like let's say I'm in a long right here at this line. I could have my stop loss. All right, that's my stop. And then I could do like, oh, that's my take profit. You know, stuff like that. Yes, sir. Just ain't right. Appreciate you guys. Ani, yeah, these accounts are. I'm not sure about the other accounts. I'm pretty sure the advanced ones are. I don't know about the other one. They have another one that's cheaper. I don't know about that one. We're using the 0 accounts because there's no activation fee, and I got these during the 40% off. So I got these for $120 each, which is a pretty good price. That was like their biggest sale. L7, thanks for tuning in, brother. Yeah, it's a good mindset. We gotta practice discipline and self-control. Yeah, I am. Yeah, that's why I got the 0 accounts, because these don't have an activation fee. I was like, I'm not paying an activation fee. Yeah, the 0 accounts don't have one, but there is payout caps. But it's nice because you can pass in one day. Yeah, you can literally just pass in one day, and then you just need 5 winning days. So we need 3 more. Yeah, let's just turn this trading into a gambling channel. We'll just turn it into a gambling channel, and we just literally just buy a bunch of prop firm accounts and go all in on our fundeds and just hope for the best. Just strictly entertainment purposes only. And then if we get some payouts, we will stop doing the live streams for free, and we'll do like a monthly Discord. Hey, join my premium Discord, guys. We just banked today. Yeah. Yeah, guys, like, this chop, it's not worth the trade. Like, straight up. Yeah, it's retesting this top area. Overall trend is still up, but look at it. The highest it's up is like 10 points. Like, what are we going to do with that? We need more momentum. We need, like, clear moves, like 20-30 points minimum. A lot of hesitation. We got to stay out of that crap. Full port. Hey, full port Fridays. Hey, tune in tomorrow, guys. Full port Fridays. James, yeah, we have TakeProfitTrader accounts. They're a prop firm. Futures. William, yeah, there's nothing wrong with micros. A lot of people shit on micros for some reason, but there's literally nothing wrong with micros. Like, micros, like, guys, literally micros saved me my TakeProfitTrader accounts. Like, if I still traded one mini, yeah, I could have maybe made double yesterday, but you can't go in that mindset. You gotta be like, well, I was down 3 days in a row. Let me switch to micros, half my position, keep the accounts alive, keep the ball rolling, because I really don't want to blow the accounts, right? I do not want to buy more accounts. I'd rather keep them alive and just take it slower for like a week, you know? And look, yesterday we made 400. today we made 260. Guys, name of the game is survival. Yep. Shice. Yeah, I copy trade. Right now I'm copy trading just this firm at a time. So we're copy trading 3 accounts. My TakeProfitTrader group is 5 accounts. The Top Step Tradeify accounts, their challenges, we could technically pass. I have to pass, unfortunately, by tomorrow. If I don't, then I get rebuild. Because I bought them in December, and they've just been sitting. So I gotta pass either today or tomorrow. Which kind of sucks, but hey, it's okay. We're very close. We're like $700 away. So we could definitely do that with one mini, honestly. Yeah, Deluxe live Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. PST. Hey, nice. You got your $700 away. It's gonna be a tough $700, but hey, I know you can do it. Just do exactly what you've been doing to get your winning days. Don't change anything differently. Yeah. Guys, did you guys hear something? You guys hear a full port? Did you guys see Max? Let's just do 300 micros real quick. No, we are not doing that, guys. I don't care. We gotta practice discipline. Yeah. Let's just rip it, guys. Let's just rip 300 micros. Oh man, that'd be horrible. Yeah, imagine me just ripping 300 micros on stream, catching like a banger trade. Guys, that's 30 freaking minis. 30 minis. Oh man. That'd be horrible. There's some people that do that. They just full on rip it. Like on the Top Step days, guys. When they didn't have like all these rules, people were just ripping like 15 minis on the 150k accounts, and they were getting like big payouts on 5 accounts. It was crazy. And Top Step was like, whoa. We gotta calm down, everyone. Hey, everyone's freaking full porting here, getting massive payouts. Dude, I think a few guys got like 100 grand payouts. Like they would literally get like 40, 50 grand balances, 50% each. That's 20, 25 grand each. That's crazy. Hey, Michael Patak's like, whoa. Slow down, everyone. Hey, keep jabbing, guys. Keep jabbing. Keep jabbing, y'all. Yeah, guys, this is dog crap chop right here. We don't trade this crap. We need he's nice. We gotta negate momentum. yeah, you can do that on the evals. You can like rip some, you know. But yeah, let's have like that degenerate accounts, just like full on ripping it. Traders life for one. If you're passing evals but blowing the funded accounts, maybe it's like a mindset issue, maybe because maybe you're getting like a little anxious or nervous. Maybe it depends on you. Just do what you do on the challenges. If you're passing them, like on a 50k account, you're making 3 grand to pass. Just do the same exact thing. Treat it like how you're doing the challenges. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Yeah, don't be like. See, the thing is, like some people, like they do like consistently good on the challenges, but then they fumble on the funded, and it's like, as long as you're not full porting, you know what I'm saying, and you're doing consistently good on the challenges, do the same exact thing on the funded. Yeah, yeah, they added a bunch of rules, payout caps. Hey, whoa. Hey, imagine you're the prop firm owner and you're seeing these dudes full porting, and they're requesting 100 grand at the end of the day. Numerous people. I'm like, hey, we gotta slow down here, buddy. I don't know as he is. Guys, is Trump talking today? I know he talked yesterday. I'm not sure if he is. I don't know when Trump is tweeting or whatever. We don't have news the rest of the day. We had news, flash manufacturing PMI at 6:45 a.m. PST tomorrow. But that's about it for the rest of the week. It's time. $3,000. Damien, I just have my Fitbit, dude. I freaking love my Fitbit. And then just a cross chain. But I like, guys, I like, hey, you guys see my new Rolex? This is a Daytona 500 right here. You know how much money this costs? This was 50 racks right here, boys. Buy my course, link in my bio. Nah, guys, this is just a Fitbit. Guys, this tracks your sleep, your time, your exercise, your heart rate, your steps, tracks your workouts. I mean, come on, people. This is the new Rolex. Come on, get a Fitbit, y'all. No, 100% internet. Yeah, you can't just... That's why they had the rules in place. Because imagine, like, everyone was allowed to just straight up full pour and they request their full balance. Like, they would need to sell a lot of evals to make up for that. Evan, yeah, what I don't like is the escargot, not escargot, escar rowers, whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, there's a max. But what I like is you can have 5 live accounts with them. I like it when firms switch to that. Like Tradeify switch to that. TakeProfitTrader has that. I really think MyFundedFutures should add that. Honestly, 5 accounts, at least 3 live accounts. That would be nice. Only with them you could trade 1 live account. Just a bigger account. Same thing with Top Step. Yeah, full port February. We're just gonna the whole month. We're just gonna send it, honestly, on stream every day, no matter what. Market open. Yeah. William, have like a daily loss limit, set amount of trades, because you shouldn't be blowing your funded account on day 1. Because it'll probably take you a while to get those to funded, right? Like depending on the firm, minimum a day or 2, maybe sometimes a week or longer. All right, new 5-minute right here, but yeah, you shouldn't be blowing your fundeds on one day. Try like sizing down or have a daily loss limit. Yeah, have a lockout rule, guys. Daily loss limit, a max amount of trades, whatever works for you. Mix of both. Casey with casinatortrades. Really, Trader Bob? I don't know. It works fine with me. I rock this thing everywhere. Yeah. Why are you running? Why are you running? Yeah, that's why I like Prop Trader too. Because like you can have a nice winning day and you don't get penalized for it. Yeah. Yeah, you definitely probably have to trade with micros, Evan. FL. Oh man, that's crazy. Hey, at least it worked out, man. Yeah, William, it's nice. Yeah, that's my mistake with these. I think on the TakeProfitTrader was doing the 1 mini, but I mean we cleared a buffer in 3 days, so it kind of worked out. But yeah, from now definitely gotta size with micros to keep the accounts alive. It was kind of like a wake up call to slow down. Deluxe, yeah, it happens, man. I heard gold's pretty volatile. They say it's more crazy than NQ, which is crazy. But yeah, guys, we're being cool, calm, collected. We caught a nice play on the TakeProfitTrader group. I think that was great that we locked it out, honestly. There was no reason to trade more. And then we are just being patient now. So we only took one trade today. These accounts, we're just looking for a clean setup. See, guys, like this choppy crap, no bueno. It's like, it's not much. It's literally no good. It's like cockapoo right here. Like, because like your stop loss would be 10-15 points too. And then your what? Take profit is 10-15 points. It's not a good RR. Yeah, Ricardo, yesterday was a pretty crazy day. Yeah, we had a lot of clean moves. A lot of big moves. There was that freaking 200.5 minute candle at like 11:25 PST. Crazy. Jacob, when I get to the buffer again, honestly, with the Take Profit Trader, I'm just gonna keep trading the 5 micros. It's pretty good. And guys, like if I made like, yeah, like $250 like on that, you know, that's $1,000 payout at the end of the day, off a small move, because it's a leverage of 5 accounts. See, guys, you see the leverage of copy trading. It could be good, but also be wary of the risk. If you blow it, you lose all the accounts. So fair warning. But like the daily payouts, you know, $250 times 5 after the fee, that's $1,000 I could request if it was above the buffer. So yeah, I'm gonna switch to micros, and then my plan is to like kind of build a buffer with those accounts, because ideally I would like to have them for a very long time. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with micros for the moment, try and build a buffer, and then if we have a decent buffer, then yeah, maybe we can go back to 10 micros or something. We'll see how it plays out. Oh yeah, I heard silver is the worst. I heard silver is like really bad. What up, Mad Cow? What's up, brother? William, yeah, sometimes it's more slowy and choppy, but it's kind of more clear. Like I can clearly see the trend is still up. We can still catch decent moves. It kind of respects levels more, which works for some of my good strategies, my super top secret informative strategies. But yeah, like market open, there was like clean moves to the downside right here, nice momentum. Eric, just 9 a.m. PST. You can also set a notification. It can notify you. All right, we got a new hour candle right here, 10 o'clock candle. But every day, 9 a.m. PST, I'll be live. So if it's 9 a.m., I'll be live. Deluxe, I just do simple strategies. Breakouts, break and retest, bounce plays, and going with the trend. All with like price action and levels. Pretty simple stuff, honestly. Works for me. Nice, you know. Nice. William. Yeah, that's a good start. Yeah, just start with a 50K. Try and get it done. And yeah, just one payout at a time. Start small. There's no reason to go crazy. Eric, I think it should be like my profile picture should be red, if I'm not mistaken. Or is it not? I don't know. No problem. No problem, Eric. Yeah, guys, if I held that, 50 points. Deluxe. Since 2023, but this was with options trading. Futures, basically beginning of 2024. It was like I started late 2023, like November, December. So basically 2023 was options trading. Lost money. 2024, Made a bunch of money with prop firms. That's when I found out about them. 2025 lost money. And now we are 2026. We're trying to get the ball rolling. See, that's the thing about trading. We're documenting the journey, y'all. This is literally why I started the channel, to document everything. If I could do it, so could you. That type of mindset. Hey, nice job, internet. Oh man, that's gonna be... Hey, at least you get an hour of sleep for half a year. That adds up. 180 days after extra 180 hours of sleep. Yeah, Deluxe, yeah, that's the thing about trading. It's an up and down journey. You don't know how you're gonna do in a year. You can win, you can lose. Yeah, that's the thing about trading. It's your own journey. Simplistic, Tradeify, TakeProfitTrader, Lucid, what was that? MyFundedFutures, they're all really good. You guys see that? Crazy. Yeah, you're just waking up at like 3:30 a.m. You're just like barely awake. Gosh, dude, imagine waking up at 3:30 internet. That's gonna be hard, man. Oh man. Hey, thank you, Edward. Watching from Germany. Appreciate you, brother. Germany. Yeah, Asia session. But New York is prime time. Prime time. Alright, we're looking for a silver bullet correlating with a fair value gap. Looking to take a liquidity sweep at this London previous day low right here. With a SMT high correlation right here. When the stars align. True Trades. I edit my videos on Microsoft Clipchamp. It's free. But my live streams, I do Streamlabs. Yeah. Yeah, the unicorn. Yeah, you guys see that venture capital? You guys see that? Just like, boom. Just quite quick dump. Mohammed, they're doing okay. We went on a 3-day losing streak with them, but we made it back. We made most of it back. Yesterday we made 400, and today we're up 260. So they're at like almost a $1,500 balance. And yeah, so we're saving them. We switched down to micros. Yeah, that shit tanked. Brown Perrier. Yes, I would have your finest Perrier, my dear. Your finest Perrier. Come on. Get out of here. Alright, it's kind of forming a little range here again, guys. Do you see this? It's just playing ping pong right here. No bueno. And guys, I was forcing trades on Thursday and Friday on dog crap chop. We're not doing that anymore. We gotta learn from our mistakes. We need to practice discipline and self-control. Cash is a position. Remember, guys, staying cash is a position. Remember that. What's up, Mike? Hey, thank you, Venture Capital. Appreciate you for the donation, man. It means a lot. Hey, everyone, like it up for Venture Capital. I appreciate you, brother. Really means a lot, man. It really means a lot. Thank you. Yeah, we're live streaming Monday through Friday, y'all. The Venture Capital OG subscriber, man. Love it. Love you guys. Means a lot. Just saying right. Appreciate you, OG as well. Internet, everyone. Yeah, Mike. Yeah, we're streaming Monday through Friday for free. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. We got 130 people in this chat. That's a lot of people. Guys, people are like, oh, 130 is not a lot. Imagine 130 people in a room. That's a lot of people. And we fixed the stream delay. Let's frickin' go. See you tomorrow, William. Peace out, brother. Oh, yeah, guys. We have a free Discord. It's not a paid Discord. It's free. We're growing a community. We're like over 1,050 now. Link in description. Link in my bio. We're at 1,057 members, y'all. Pretty nice. Not bad. 1,057. That's a lot of people. Thank you, Venture. Yeah, everyone like it up for Venture, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, guys, we are playing ping pong right here. We're playing ping pong right here. Boom, 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 boom. Now we finally broke out that range, but look at this. Boom, 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 boom. It's like a tighter range now. So I think we're going to get a decent move, hopefully, out of a direction. But if we don't take another trade, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, we took a nice 26-point trade on our TakeProfitTrader group. Hey, Internet. Hey, everyone liking it for Bushido Trades, a.k.a. Internet. Appreciate you guys. It really does mean a lot. You guys are OGs. I really, really appreciate it. Everyone like it up, guys. It means a lot. Like I said, I do these live streams for free for y'all. I just ask you like and subscribe. And if you're going to use a prop firm, just use code Casinator. Give you the best discount. Give you the same best discount. And it supports the channel. And we keep the live streams free. That's all I ask. So appreciate y'all. As always, thank you, Internet. Thank you, Venture Capital. Yeah, I gotta learn how to grow on Twitter because the trading space on Twitter is pretty big, like really big. I definitely have to do a different strategy for growing on there. I don't know. I don't really like tweeting and shit. Love you guys. Thank you. Yeah, I like the YouTube. I like Instagram. I like the Discord. It's pretty chill. Guys, I'm more active on Instagram now. We have over 300 followers. We're growing there. Our reels are getting like 1,000 views plus now, which is pretty cool. I think we got like, let me check. This month on Instagram, we got 61,000 views in the last 30 days. Not bad. That's pretty good. 61,000. We're at 304 followers now. Not bad. Not bad. Hey guys, we're growing one day at a time. Remember that. And guys, we are up like 500 subscribers this year. We started this year like a little under 7,000, like 6,950. Yeah, we're up 500 subscribers on the year. That's pretty damn good, guys. Yeah, we're up 508 on the year. It's pretty good. We're almost at 7,500 subscribers, y'all. One day at a time. I love that saying. We literally just get better one day at a time. Yeah, Twitter, I feel like to grow on there, you kind of need like controversial posts or like kind of jabbing at other people, which I'm not really a fan of. I don't really like doing that shit. I just like posting my stuff and staying out of the drama. X is so full of drama, especially on the trading space. So much drama on there. It honestly gives me a headache. That's why I don't go on there that much anymore. I'm like, it's just a headache. Internet, yeah, you can stream whenever, brother. Yeah, just start up a stream. That'd be sick. Day by day, brick by brick, y'all. Yeah, Twitter is just literally rage baiting. It's literally rage baiting, controversial posts, and like having debates with other people. It's pretty toxic, honestly. I'm not gonna lie, it's really toxic. Yeah. Yeah, Garv, we're gonna post like a massive payout, and people are like, "Oh, this guy's fake." But it's like, dude, we caught everything on freaking live, every single trade, live. But guys, don't worry, I have a crystal ball right here. You guys can't see it because I don't want to show it. I have a crystal ball right here. It literally tells me where the market's going, how it's gonna go. Like right now, I can see in the future 1 hour. I know exactly where price is going, but I can't go crazy. I don't want to exploit the strategy. We can't exploit it. Yeah, let's just rage bait everyone. The one that would really rage bait people are like, yeah, it's on X, honestly. They just rage bait. I'm like, I read some posts and I'm like, this is the dumbest shit I've ever heard. I'm like, this is the biggest rage bait shit I ever heard. I'm like, why am I even on here? Delete app. It's so toxic on there, honestly. It's really toxic. Yeah, guys, if you guys haven't got a crystal ball yet that tells you to the future, man, it helps a lot, honestly. You need to get on the black market and, like, you gotta go underground and you gotta go to, like, a special dealer. It's a long process, but trust me, it's worth it. Jacob, sometimes I like to wait for a 5-minute close if I'm a little uncertain. It's kind of near my price. But sometimes, most of the time, I'll just enter on the trade when it hits near my level that I like. Like right now, we're just playing ping pong right here. Like, it's literally nothing. So I think it's best we stay out. Honestly, we're practicing our discipline. Mike, I think the pro you can pass in one day, and there's some other benefits. I'm not sure if it was like payouts or something, but I think the pro and flex are kind of similar. But yeah, I think you can pass in one day with the pro. I don't think there's a daily loss limit if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. We got an 8-ball. We got a crystal ball. Hey guys, just like my 20 monitors, I have a crystal ball. I have an 8-ball. I got a bowling ball. We got a lot of balls here. No Diddy right here. All right, guys. None of that weird stuff, but we got a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, the magic conch. The magic conch. I love the magic conch. Magic conch. No way.
Could I have something to eat?
No.
Could I have something to eat?
No.
Could I have something to eat?
No.
Can't you say anything else but no?
Try asking again.
Can I have something to eat?
No.
I love the magic conch. Yeah, I got an 8-ball, bowling ball, crystal ball. A lot of balls. Yeah, I do. Hey, I have a lucky lure too. I have a lucky lure. I call it, guys, when I'm bass fishing, I would never think about it. I have a purple worm. Literally just purple. There is no thing in the wild that's purple like that in the lake. I call it but the bass love it. I've been catching like a hella bass on it. We call it a secret huckleberry worm. Yeah, we're chucking the huckleberry worm out here. It's a secret sauce. The bass is probably like looking at it like the fish. He's probably looking at it like, oh my gosh, what is that delicious purple thing right there? I've never seen that in my life. And then boom, attack it. You gotta trick the fish. That's why I like fishing. You gotta trick the fish. Yeah, I'm like, this ain't gonna work. Like, what is this? Well, you think I'm gonna catch a fish on a purple worm? Next thing you know, I caught a freaking hog like that. I'm like, no shit. Then I caught like 2 more that day, and I'm like, oh man, I bought like 10 more packs of that huckleberry worm. That's all I've been using ever since. Yeah, guys. With all these special crystal balls, we're definitely having our own hedge fund here. Our own hedge fund. Yeah, the secret sauce. Yeah. Yeah, that's literally what the fish is thinking. He's like, oh my gosh, look at that purple delicious thing. Oh man. Oh, that's funny. Hey, Trader Bob, you know what's up, especially in the Delta, the frog bite. Oh, you got like 50, 65 pound braid, a heavy rod, just like wham! You just like set the hook. Hey, you guys are the bass fishing the whopper plopper. it's like blah 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 blah, and the batch just goes boom, and he goes crazy. Dude, it gets your adrenaline going. I'm not gonna lie. All right, it looks like it's kind of trying to break out of this range right here. We've just been playing ping pong, like I said, for the last almost 2 hours, guys. Look at this, 2 hours. Wow. Yeah, to make up for this lost time, we might have to full port, guys. I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna have to full port. The magic conch. Or let's see if price breaks and maybe tap this bottom area again and see how it reacts. So right now it's kind of coming back down here. Hey, Trader Bob, you know bass fishing, man. That's the exact setup, yeah. Heavy fast action rod, like a fast gear ratio, like a what, 8-4, 8-3 gear to 1 ratio. Straight braid, 1 ounce tungsten, 2 ounce. Dude, those are the days. Yeah. Dude, I haven't been fishing the Delta in a while. I used to fish it a lot. 680. If I were to see a floor, it would maybe be 660, around this. 660, 665, this area. I would consider it. Maybe venture capital. Maybe. Those are my thoughts for a floor. Because at 680, we're kind of just like right here. Because it's it's just kind of like right in the middle of this little range. The floor I would consider like right here, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm down, Trader Bob. Yeah, that'd be freaking sick. Yeah, we got full margin. All in, guys. All in. No stop loss. No risk management. Just hoping for the best. Zach, yeah, sometimes I'll trade minis. Like most of the time, I'll trade like a mini or two. But then like these accounts lately, I've been trading micros. It works fine. The thing about micros is nice is you can trim. So it's like if you have one mini, you'd either have to get in or get out, which kind of sucks. But with 10 micros, you could trim 2 to 4 micros and let your position run. So you could lock in some gains and you could sell a runner. The only downside, I think, is you pay a little more on commissions, but I mean, I think it makes up for it, honestly. So yeah, there's nothing wrong with micros, honestly. Yeah, guys, we're just chopping around right here. So that's why we're staying in cash. I'm sorry if it's boring for y'all, but we are not going to force a trade and do bad habits. We're going to practice discipline and self-control. Guys, we gotta do like a yoga class together, y'all. Gotta be zen. Zach, these are funded accounts. There are 3 funded accounts. Alpha Futures. No, James, I do not trade ICT. Deluxe, I don't know. We're kind of in this weird range. we're kind of just in this really weird range right now. Like, yeah, today we saw this last week and where I got chopped. It just the whole day it just range. But like this is slow range. This is bad range. Yeah, gotta get the spawn. That's when the big girls start biting. The hogs. 25, 638. Yep. Zach, I trade props. I'm just trading propfirms right now. No personal account. I am not ready for a personal account. My plan, yeah, is to trade propfirms, get some nice payouts, get a good cushion back, get my lick back, and then maybe I'll open a live account again, fund it again. But as of right now, yeah, I'm just trading propfirms. James, momentum, how price is moving, how I'm liking it at my level. Cause like with my strategies, I just do it with price action and levels. I want to see like how it reacts. Also, if we're near like a 5-minute open, or I mean a 5-minute close, I would want to see how the 5-minute closes. See like where it wants to close and how it like moves. Stuff like that. Yeah, guys, I like this rotating strategy because it's a lot less risky. Like, we can go from one firm. All right, we locked it in. Great day. All right, let's go to another firm. It's already locked in. Why do we need to force another day? Force more P&L. Yep. Yeah, internet. Well, guys, the thing about I like with propfirms, like, guys, those TakeProfitTrader accounts, I paid after the discount, I paid $102 each, so $510 for those 5 accounts. My max loss with those accounts is $510 of my own money if I blow them. I already know my max loss. Where if you open a live account, it's real money. You could get margin and all that. It's really, if you get in a bad situation, that's real money on that. You lose $1,000 in a day, you lost $1,000. Where the prop firms, like if you lost $1,000 on those accounts, but they're still alive, you technically didn't lose money of your own money, if that makes sense. Like, yeah, you lost in a day, but technically you didn't lose your own money. You still have, like those accounts. I went on a 3-day losing streak. Yeah, I lost $1,200 overall, but I didn't lose any money. They're still alive, and I got them back up. It's a lot less risky. Yep, enter, yep. What's up, N5? Thanks for tuning in, brother. Alright, I got a new 5-minute and 15 seconds. Like I said, guys, sorry if it's boring, but we're not going to force a trade in this chop. I'm learning my lesson from last week. What's up, Jasmine? Thanks for tuning in like always. Yeah, Golden Peanut. Yeah, this chop is, it's honestly, this is bad chop. This is not a good chop to trade, honestly, in my opinion. Yeah, we caught a nice winning trade. That was a nice bounce play. I mean, it was a nice 1-2. But, yeah, for literally the last 2 hours, we're just chopping. It's really bad. Absolutely, M5. That's what I'm starting to realize. That's what I'm trying to learn my lesson. Like, yeah, even though I'm on stream, I don't want to force a trade, so we're practicing discipline, y'all. Self-control and discipline. If we see another setup, hey, we'll take it. If not, we'll just stay cash. Staying cash is a position, y'all. I like that. It was so hard for me to realize that. I would have to, like, before I would, like, force a trade. I'm like, oh, I had to trade every day, Monday through Friday, and take, like, crappy setups, and it's like, why? Like, why force a trade on a chop? Orin, it should be fixed. People say that, guys, is the stream fixed on the delay? People said that it's like 3 seconds now, which is really good. Maybe check your settings. Hope you're feeling better, Dashman. We have those TakeProfitTrader accounts. We went on a 3-day losing streak, but yesterday we switched down to micros, and today we made 400 yesterday and 260 today. So they're at $1,500. So we're only $500 away from the buffer, so I'm pretty happy with that. We just take our 2 base hits and call it a day and try to keep them alive. Yep. Yeah, that's why I like the streams too, internet. Bandit, if you're already liked and subscribed, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, we're saving those accounts. Yeah, I realize I cannot trade one mini at a $2,000 balance. It's gonna go by pretty quick. So, but we manage our risk pretty well, except for maybe on Friday. Definitely should have taken that third trade, but it is what it is. We can't trip on it. We can't dwell on it. We just gotta live in it, move on, and we did. So that's the mindset we had to have. Oh shit. Yeah, do the thing right here. What internet's saying. Yeah, guys, if there is still a stream delay, check right there, Bushido Trades, aka Internet. You can fix it in the settings right there. He put in the link. So thank you, Internet. Alright, we're gonna start a poll. Where are we going? Chop. We're gonna add a third option, chop. Alright guys, where are we going? I think we're just gonna chop the rest of the... Definitely till... I think we're just gonna chop around for a bit, honestly. Like, look at this. I noticed last Thursday and Friday, it's been like slow choppy. So... I don't know. Yes, sir. Jeez, M5. Hope you're alright, brother. Stay safe, man. $26.70 for a bounce. If I were to take a bounce play, I'd probably rather do right here, 25,660. That's just me. For a bounce play, that's our first entry. Caught a nice 26-point play. M5, yeah, just stock up on goods. Hey, not like the COVID days, just stock up on toilet paper. Oh, man. You guys remember the freaking toilet paper was freaking sold out everywhere? Guys, during the COVID, I think I was still in college, like at the beginning. Bro, I ran to the bathroom and I took like 5 rolls of toilet paper. I just stuffed it in my backpack and just dipped. Hey, I didn't say nothing. You didn't hear nothing. Nothing. Hey, I gotta get my college tuition. I gotta get some of it out somehow. Oh man. Yeah, toilet paper was like sold out. Like literally all the stores around us, literally empty. It was bad. Yeah, they were all sold out. Yeah. The college ones, it was those big giant rolls too. They weren't like the small little ones. They were like big ass rolls. And I came home and my grandma was like, "What the fuck?" And I'm like, "Yeah, grandma, we're gonna be safe for the next few weeks." Oh man, yeah. Yeah, it was a crazy time. Everyone was like freaking out. Like, freaking toilet paper. Oh man. Hey, nice job, Ryder. Hey, just be disciplined. Look for one A plus setup. Don't just jump in. There's times where I did that, where I just jumped in. Just A plus setup, good risk management, and you're done. Lock it in. There you go, Ryder. Good job. Guys, we got 54% going up. Yeah, this trend is still up. But I feel like we're just chopping around a bit right here. Look at this. We haven't broke out that high. And we didn't even come to the low. This is literally watching paint dry. Yeah. Yeah. Zach, yeah, I'm in Cali. Yeah, you gotta go, man. You gotta go. You're like, oh shit, what am I gonna do now? Yeah, man, 5. Dude, oh shit, I might have it. During COVID, my dad and I had these masks that looked like you weren't wearing a mask. Let's see if it's in here. Okay. Wait. Guys, chat. The fuck you looking at, asshole? Guys, this is the mask I was literally wearing during COVID. I deadass was wearing this mask during COVID, and people didn't realize I was wearing a mask, and I had the shades on and everything. Look at this shit. Hey, you looking at something, asshole? Huh? Dude, this, and then I walked into the stores and some lady was like, sir, you need a mask. And I'm like, I am wearing a mask. Oh my god. This shit was so funny. I would get so many people to stare at me. It was freaking hilarious. Cause I would walk in with the shades too, cause you couldn't see the thing. Dude, this looks real. You guys see how real this shit looks? Hey asshole, you looking at something, huh? Oh man, dude, this is the tiger guy mask, man. He was like, look at this shit. This shit is crazy. That shit was so funny, bro. I had one in my pocket just so I could fuck around with people. Yeah, it looks like you're not wearing a mask for a quick second because a lot of people were just like looking at me like, is he? They're like, he looks weird. Like, I don't know. Oh man, yeah, that is some Breaking Bad shit. Oh man. No, yeah, I would literally walk in with that mask on and like I would get so many stares at me. It was, but my dad would wear it too, and we would like go to the store at the same time. And they're like, dude, like this looks so sketch. Oh, that shit was funny. Hey, look at this. Made this shit in woodshop, bro. Got a zebra. Oh, man. That was funny. Oh, man. Those were good times. Yeah, I think I got that mask for like $10. What is that, Deluxe? Yeah, guys, we're just playing ping pong here, so yeah, we're not gonna force it. I've never heard of that, Deluxe, huh? raffle today, Bandit. Yeah, I'll do more giveaways for y'all. Gotta message some prop firms and be like, hey, you guys want to do giveaways? Yeah, we can maybe do some giveaways. Get you guys some free accounts. Yeah. Right now the trend is still up, but it's just very, like, I would not short this at all. Even a long is like 10, 15 points. Like, look at these tiny ass candles. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I noticed the last Thursdays and Fridays have been slow choppy. Low key. Yeah, we definitely have bigger moves in the morning on a Thursday, Fridays. Yeah. Yeah, Zach. Because right now we just formed a range right here, and then it formed a little range right here. And you see how the range is just getting smaller and smaller? You see how the candles are getting smaller and smaller? So it's either going to keep doing that, or it's going to finally break and go in a big move in either direction. So that's kind of what we're waiting for. Cody, there is no giveaway at the moment. No giveaway yet. No. Yeah, these candles are not good to trade. Like, look at this. This is what? 13 points? But look how tiny they are. They're just nothing. No bueno. There's no momentum. So this is the type of price action I'd honestly stay out of. And it's forming a tighter range, smaller candles. So I either think we're going to get a big move in either direction or just continue to chop the rest of the day. Hey, what's up, Sam? Thanks for tuning in, brother. Yeah, it happens, Garv. Garv, if you're up 1,200, man, that's a good day. Like, if you continue to trade and it goes down to like 1,000 maybe, then call it. But 1,200, man, that's pretty solid. Alright, we got a new 5-minute right here. Yeah, Carbo, we are just chopping right now. Guys, this is really good discipline, honestly. This is good that we stay out. Like, honestly. We shouldn't be trading this, so I'm glad we're practicing that. Dun, dun, dun. Guys, we got a payout video tonight. Our first payout video since July. We got a payout video tonight, y'all. Yeah, dude, $1,200 on a day job, that's like... It's like unheard of. Like, a really good job pays like $400 or $500 a day. And that's like a really good job. Like a really good job. Bearish. Micros, yeah. 50K, because like you could trade one mini, but if you go on a losing streak, you could lose it pretty quick. Not gonna lie. Like, you can go on a 3-5 day losing streak and it can... They're just blown. But bearish for NQ, I think 5 micros is solid. Depends on you and your risk tolerance and everything, but I think 5 micros is pretty solid. You can catch some good moves, make some good P&L. Like, you can easily make $300-500 a day on 5 micros easily, very easily. Deluxe, when I very first started, I just had like one top step. Then I got like a $7,000 payout with that. Then I kind of bought more. Yeah, let's go, Frappuccino. Let's go. Woo! Yeah, Zach, and that's a good job. 70K a year before tax. That's still a good job. $280 a day. Yeah, that's good money. You can easily do that with micros, guys. 300 bucks, 200 bucks. And guys, the thing is, that's the beautiful thing about copy trading. Imagine you're making $200 consistently on one account. All right, you got a few payouts, nice. Now you have 5 accounts. Not financial advice, but saying see the possibilities of still saying $200 a day, small risks, micros, 5 accounts. That's $1,000. That shit adds up. Yeah, it's so hard to process. Like, yeah, I made like $1,000 in 5 minutes, but then you go to a normal job and you work 8 hours for 200 bucks. It's crazy. The trading skews your perception of money so much. Like, guys, when I'm at a store, I see like a nice hoodie, like a nice hoodie or sweatshirt. I'm like, $40. Hell no, I'm not buying that. 40 bucks. But then I'll see like a prop firm. I'm like, oh, 150K account, 200 bucks. Hell yeah, I'll buy 5 of those. Like nothing. Fucking crazy. I think it's the perspective, like, we can make money with our investment. That's what kind of like, that's what it is. Like, oh, we can make our money back or something. Deluxe, I think I blew 1 or 2 before I passed it. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure. It was like almost 2. I think it was 2 years ago. So I think I blew 1 or 2 before. I don't know the exact number. Exactly, Zach. Yeah, guys, like trading, just simple. Don't be greedy. Lock it in. It happens, Garv. I've been there, man. Yeah, it's true. Like, yeah, our perception of money is like skewed with this. All right, we got 10:45 candle. Sierra wants to close. Guys, low key might just take like 1 trade with these and try and get like 10 points maybe, so I can count it as a winning day. Because this is not a day to force it. This will be a day to like flip if you were going to trade. Like, we can maybe flip and get like a 1 day. That way we have 1 less day to force a trade or something. Because we need 5 winning days with these accounts, so of $200 or more. Yeah, unfortunately, California, you need to be making like 6 figures, which sucks. So expensive here. Yeah, that's true. Dude, those car parts add up pretty quick. Golden Peanut, no, I haven't really done that. I just kind of stuck to the, if anything, I did like a multiplier. Like, oh, this one will trade, like, let's say I had a 50K account, and the 150K account, I might trade like double the size or something. But I haven't really done the cross multiplier. But you gotta think about Golden Peanut. It's basically 10x the leverage. So if you're trading 1 micro on that, and you have a mini conversion to the other account, it's trading 10 micros. So just be very cautious. It's literally 10x the leverage if you do it that way. Yeah, that is crazy, Eddie. Yeah, like 600, like, yeah, 100K is like you need to make minimum Cali for the Bay Area. It's kind of sad, honestly. That's a lot of, you know how much 6 figures a year is? That's a lot of money. Like, that's a good job, but in California, Bay Area, it's like quick. Yeah, yeah, that is true, Zach. Yeah, 100K, 70K, 80K a year, that was great money, but now it's like, you gotta make that consistently. Yeah, we got a lot of taxes here. Like, it's crazy. Like, literally, like, a house in the Bay Area, like a small house, $1 million. Small house. $1 million in some other state, like Texas or some other state? You get a full-on freaking mansion, swimming pool, land. It's crazy, like, how much, just location, right? Fucking wild. I'm in the Bay Area. Yeah, Zach, we just gotta grind and get better and, yeah, keep growing. Yeah, like a small ass house in the Bay Area, like small, $1 million. Fucking wild. $1 million. That is crazy. Alright, pushing back up here. We're just bouncing off this little range area, guys. Yeah. Yeah, you can get a big ass house for less than $1 million somewhere else. Yeah, you gotta make good money, Garv, to live there. Brandy, yeah. Yeah, same thing, like LA, San Diego area, South SoCal. Fucking crazy. Yeah, M5, dude, 100K salary a year, that's great money, man. Like, honestly, that's good money, especially over there. Yeah, Raymond, I heard, like, I was watching those, like, videos, too, like, how much, like, a house goes so much further in, like, Texas, for example. Like, literally, like, you get a big-ass house, swimming pool, land, everything. Way cheaper. It's pretty crazy. Location is everything, guys. It sucks, because I like the Bay Area, but it's just so freaking expensive. So expensive. Zach, it's just consistently where prices bouncing or tapping off of, consistently touching the top and bottom of wicks, stuff like that. Like right here, like marked out this bottom area, you see it was bouncing off of. Then kind of formed a new level up here, see consistently was bouncing off of. And right now here, it's just consistently bouncing off, so I'm marking a level right here. Literally bouncing off there numerous times, and then this is the top of this baby range, and that's why I marked out right here. So kind of stuff like that. Yeah, Eddie, yeah, there's a lot of crime. A lot of shops are getting robbed. A lot of the shoe stores got robbed, which is unfortunate. A lot of the jewelry stores, too. Yeah, Zach, I only trade to 5 minute. Yeah, M5, you know what's crazy? A townhouse here in the Bay Area would probably be around like 600 grand. 600 grand for a townhouse. Fucking crazy. 600 racks. Townhouse. Yeah, Justin, right. We're just we're practicing our discipline today. Yeah, I'm learning to realize not to force a trade on this crappy. Look at this. We took one. We're one and done today, honestly. One and done on those funded. Nice 26 point play, $260 each on those TakeProfitTrader. Lock it in. There is no reason to trade this, guys, honestly. Like, we need momentum. Like, this is nothing. Yeah, Eddie, SF used to be good, but then yeah, there's a lot more crime, a lot more homeless, a lot of drug users. Like you literally go on like Mission Street, and there's like people like with freaking like I was literally on my old job when I used to work in San Francisco. Like I would literally drive out to work, go into the highway. Literally, dude would just on the side just like this with a freaking needle in their arm wrapped. I'm like, what the fuck? All around me, there's like shit and like needles everywhere, and I'm like, dude, this is so gross. It's nasty. I would not want to live in San Francisco, honestly, anymore. I used to live there, but I moved somewhere out, and it's pretty nicer here. Yeah, we're up 260 on the TakeProfitTrader group. Yeah, Brandy, yeah, we still have them alive. We went on a 3-day losing streak, but we stayed disciplined and calm and sized down, and we got them back a little bit. So they're at a $1,500 balance, so we saved $700. Yeah, like there's a few junkyards in Oakland where it literally looks like a freaking bomb went off. Like there's just cars on the side of the road that's like blown up and everything, caught on fire. It's so bad. East Oakland too, yeah. We're out here in deep East Oakland, California. Hell no. Bro, I used to do shoe deals there because a few guys I used to buy shoes off of lived there. I had a few crazy stories. Well, one of them was crazy, but it ended up being okay. It was sketch at the time. But I was like, thank God. Venture capital. I used to sell shoes. Oh, we have a new 5-minute right here. I used to sell shoes. It was my job, like Jordans, Yeezys, Dunks, stuff like that. Alright guys, I'm going to end the stream soon, so if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're just choppy price action right here, so if you guys got any questions or something, let me know and I can answer that. We'll end the stream soon. But yeah, we caught a nice play on these 5 TakeProfitTrader accounts. Up $260. Lock it in. We have been chopping it now for almost 3 hours in this slow choppiness. No reason to force a trade. We're going to stay out. And yeah, so yeah. Yeah, Zach. Yeah, I know it's last Thursday and Fridays. It's been very choppy recently. Which is kind of interesting. Nice, Deluxe. Nice. Yeah, Zach, we're just practicing discipline because on my losing days, I was really trying to force trades on the chop. No bueno. Traders for life? No. I only trade Nasdaq. But NQ is just chopping around right now. Garv, I like the Travis Scotts. They hold their value. And I like them. I like the low tops. They're pretty nice. And I got mine for a pretty good deal. I got mine for like when they were cheaper, so it was nice. I like the Phantoms and the Olives. And the Travis Scotts do hold their value better compared to other shoes. Hey, you too, Internet. Alright, guys, I'm going to call it here. We are just chopping around for the last 2-3 hours. We caught a nice winning play, one and done. We're just going to call it here, one and done. Practice our discipline. No reason to force a trade. We caught a nice 26-point play right here. Boom. Our TakeProfitTrader accounts are at $1,500 balance almost. And yeah, we're saving them. We're trading them 5 micros. We're just practicing discipline. Getting a little movement now, but yeah, I'm not going to force it, honestly. But yeah, I'll see you guys 9 a.m. tomorrow PST. So 9 a.m. PST tomorrow. Make sure to like and subscribe. Go outside, go to the gym, do whatever. And yeah, so don't overtrade, don't over leverage. Keep doing your thing. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Peace out, everyone.